Hi everyone, this video is for XTM and Musos Unplugged, and I hope you like it.
Hey everyone, this is DJ Xtoff from Sydney, Australia for Tomaurrow Initiative on XTM Plus for supporting Mauritian small business in this time of crisis. Peace.
Salut les amis, je suis Ludo Kelly, je suis auteur, compositeur et interprète. C'est une initiative de demain sur XTM+, en soutien aux petites et moyennes entreprises à Maurice. Je vais vous chanter une chanson, c'est une de mes compositions, ça s'appelle Nous pas Bouquilé. Merci.
Hey, hi everyone. I'm Yannick Turan from Mauritius, and one of my passions is obviously music. Why so? This is just because music has enabled me to express my feelings and emotion since I'm 12 years old. What I'm going to play for you is the guitar solo part of a song called Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. In this song, the lyrics starts with, "Is this the real life? Or is this just fantasy?" That's exactly what I'm feeling right now with the situation outside. So this piece is played for Tomaurrow Initiative on XTM Plus to support all the small business in Mauritius. Enjoy!
I'm Clive Coureur and playing a song for you for Tomaurrow Initiative on XTM Plus.